Today we're making Sfinci. They're Sicilian, and we make them during Easter a lot of the times, but you know, when something is nice, you tend to make them even more often. This was something that Mum always made, Connie. When all the family was sitting and had their meal, she'll think, I'll whip them up quickly, the children will like them. So off she'd go and she'd make all this very quickly and fry them up, and I tell you what, the best memories, you know what it's like. Yeah, cooking for the family just makes your heart bigger. So I'll show you how to make them, which is just, it's plain flour. And then we put some yeast. And we put just a little bit of oil there as well.
You make them a little bit different than I do.
Yeah, I guess there's so many different ways. A little bit of sugar and just a tiny pinch of salt as well. And we'll add an egg to it as well. So just a quick whip. Oops. And then we add some milk, just warm milk if you can. So just add it and just whip everything up. It's quite easy really, isn't it?
It's just, the milk is what the consistency.
There. Yeah. You just make a soft dough basically, because you make
You're using
nice.
a whisk. What's wrong with your hands?
Yes, that's right. We're normally, well,
We
I
normally
didn't
use
want to
the
dirty
hands.
my nails. Had my nails done. So you just whip it up.
I remember when Mum used to make it, just use the hand and just spin it up.
But
with the
that's
hands.
what we
Remember?
did those
Yeah,
days.
yeah.
Yes, and we lived through that, so it wasn't a bad way of doing it really. But now we become a little bit more conscious about everything, so we'll just follow the rules. So basically this is it. And what happens now? You just cover them a little bit with a tea towel and wait until they rise, say about 3/4 of an hour, and that will double, and it basically will look like that at the end, doesn't it, Connie?
Yeah, I know,
Yeah, and then you just fry them. You know, you feed the children first because they're dying to taste them, and that's it. Voila. Well, Connie, shall we fry them?
Yeah, let's
okay,
go.
and then we'll
Okay.
just eat them.
That's right.
Okay. Well, here we are. Get on
Okay.
this side for me.
Okay.
Thank you. And here we are. Now,
So,
you don't want them too big. So what we do is just 1 spoonful.
is it
That's it.
a medium dessert spoon?
Yes. And we'll put it a little bit lower. Because we've got to,
You've got to keep turning them while you're cooking
that's
them.
right, yes. And you don't
It's
want
like
it
the
too
ones I
hot
like.
because you want them to cook inside as well. So we'll turn it down. Just coat them with sugar. And
Am I going to bring mine too?
yes, there we are. And these are our Sicilian Sfinci from Valguarnera.
And you know what? This is my mum's plate that you got holding there.
Really?
It's about
Oh my
6
goodness.
years old.
Well, and the recipe would be
Actually, that plate is from Spain.
really.
Yeah.
Oh, can you see what happens in life? Things keep uniting, and look, our Australian ingredients, but the Italian feel.